guys, this is WestonTube, and today we are going to be reading There's a Bird on Your Head. And this, there's another YouTuber at my house, and looks like there's something really weird going on over there. Hi, Mama. And look, there's a poop emoji. Poop emoji. So whatever. What we are going to be reading, There's a Bird on My Head. I'm going to set that twice round. Now, it's by Moe Willams. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on your head, whatever. Let's get set up. We are now ready, because we're set up. Skip those pages. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head? No. No. There are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. Two birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Whoa. Do I have an egg on my head? Mm-hmm. 1, 2, and 3. You have 3 eggs on my head. On your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? They are hatching. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Then where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. And usually at the end of these books, there is a chicken. Look at the chicken. Apple. What? Apple? No. I think I just saw another YouTuber. Ew. Dirty apple. Oh, I nearly thought the apples aren't dirty. They're just right. There's other ones. What's wrong with today? Wait. What? What's your channel?
We're gonna make gold.
What? Oh, that meant gold. Okay, say it louder so the people who are seeing this video can hear.
WestonTube sucks. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Subscribe to All That Met Gold.
All the neckles. Okay.
Where did he go? Oh God.
Okay, that's the end of the Elephant and Piggy book, and so
Pikachu.
If you want to see, this is the new hilarious guy. He has Five Nights at Freddy's episodes of Stuffed Toys. And my little sister, get out of here now. Get out.
They
This is
never
the
listen.
YouTuber.
They never listen.
I know. Okay, so this is not a video.
Eat
so
apples.
bye. Okay, I'm gonna get some apples.